Prototyping is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves creating a preliminary model or sample of a product before it is mass-produced. This process allows manufacturers to test and refine their designs, identify potential issues, and make necessary adjustments before investing in large-scale production. Prototyping can be done using a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, wood, and even 3D printing technology. It is an essential step in the product development process, as it helps manufacturers ensure that their final product meets the desired specifications and quality standards. There are several benefits to prototyping in the manufacturing industry. First, it allows manufacturers to identify and address design flaws early on, which can save time and money in the long run. Second, it enables manufacturers to test the functionality and usability of their products, ensuring that they meet the needs of their intended users. Third, prototyping can help manufacturers make informed decisions about materials, manufacturing processes, and production costs, which can ultimately lead to more efficient and cost-effective production.